If your toilet is running and you have a fill valve that looks like this one, I'm going to show you a really easy way to fix it that you don't even need any tools. You can see that this toilet is running because the water is overflowing into the overflow tube here in the center of the toilet. It's running because the fill valve, the thing with the red cap, is not shutting off. So I'm going to show you a quick way to replace the fill valve where you don't even need any tools and it'll take care of this problem. It's important to note that this trick I'm going to show you only works with certain Fluidmaster fill valve. It works with Fluidmaster fill valves that have this ring on the bottom right here. First thing you want to do is shut off the water to the toilet. Then you're going to take your new Fluidmaster fill valve and you're just going to pull this clear ring up like that. Then you're going to pull the bottom black post out of the top gray piece like I just did. And your fill valve may be different colors, but as long as it has these same looking pieces, you're good. But once you get the new fill valve apart, you're going to do the same thing to the one that's in the toilet tank. You're going to carefully pull up that ring that's down at the bottom, and then you're going to pull the whole top of the fill valve off like I'm doing here. Then just throw the old fill valve to the side and grab your new one. And basically you're going to stick the new fill valve on the exact same way you pulled the other one off. So slip it down onto the post that's in your toilet tank, set it to the height that you think is about right, and then you're just going to push that clear ring back down to lock it in place. Then just set your refill tube back onto the overflow tube like this, and then you're good to turn the water back onto your toilet. Now just test your toilet by flushing it a few times just to make sure it's working right. You want the water level in the tank to be about 1/4 of an inch below the overflow tube in the center. So if you have to reset your height of your fill valve, feel free to turn the water back off and do so. There's also an adjustment on the top of most Fluidmaster fill valves that you see with the little wheel. It has arrows with the plus and minus sign. You can actually turn this wheel to adjust the height to a degree. We appreciate you watching. If you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear them. And we're on every social media platform. So if you're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Only Plumbers, whatever, we'd love to hear from you there. If you're not subscribed, we'd really appreciate if you subscribed. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. It's good practice to replace your flapper every time you replace your fill valve. So here's some bonus footage of us replacing a flapper.